Good morning, students. In a previous class, that is class 6, for the chapter Basic Concept in Chemistry, I already completed the important term, that means electronic displacement in covalent bond. Under this, so many effects we observed due to the attacking reagent. First one is inductive effect. Already come over. What is inductive effect? Types of inductive effect, what are the characteristics of inductive effect, and finally the application of inductive effect. How inductive effect regulate the reactivity of alkyl halide, finding the dipole moment, calculating the relative strength of organic acids and also bases. Today, that is class 7 for this chapter. I will try to focus another one important effect, the second effect, that is resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Before going to that one, it is necessary to discuss another one term that is known as resonance. Mark that. Resonance. What do you mean by resonance? Mark that. Already we covered little bit in chemical bonding. What do you mean by resonance? For a molecule, when more than one structure can be represented, but none of them able to describe all the characteristic property for that molecule. For example, mark that benzene. For benzene, I write two structure. It is the bond line notation for benzene given by Kekulé. It is known as Kekulé 1, it is known as Kekulé 2. These are the two structures for benzene, but it has been observed that none of them able to satisfy all the characteristics of actual benzene, because it has been observed that the carbon-carbon single bond length is equal to 1.54 angstrom and carbon-carbon double bond length is 1.34 angstrom. But actually in benzene, that is the carbon-carbon bond length is equivalent in benzene. The carbon-carbon bond length is 1.39 angstrom, which lie in between that of the carbon-carbon single bond and also double bond. And the actual structure is known as resonance hybrid. This is known as the resonating structure of benzene. No doubt, physically it has no mean. That means one is not able to represent on the plane of paper. But it gives the actual structure. It gives the maximum data about the original structure. Then these structures are known as the resonating structure or contributing structure or canonical structure, while this structure is known as the resonance hybrid, and the phenomenon is known as resonance. I repeat again. For a compound, for a molecule, if more than one structure can be represented, but none of them able to explain all the characteristic property of original structure, then each structure is known as resonating structure, canonical structure or contributing structure, and the phenomenon is known as resonance. And the final structure, which has no physical mean, is known as resonance hybrid. Students, not worry about, try to listen, try to mark the concept, then we engage in writing. Then what are the conditions for the resonance? 4 to 5 points are there. 4 to 5 points are there for the condition, or we say that is condition for resonance. Not right, only to listen. By the help of resonance, we may write more than one resonating structure or contributing structure in which the position of the atom not change. The shared pair of electron displacement also not change. The number of lone pair of electron also same. Next, higher is the number of covalent bond present in the molecule, higher is the number of resonating structure. In resonating structure or in resonance, all the bond length are nearly equal. All the resonating structure possess nearly same energy. Next, while writing the resonating structure, negative charge if present on more electronegative atom and positive charge is present on more electropositive atom, then that one is closer to the actual structure. Next, the species showing the resonance must be cyclic and planar. These are some conditions for the resonance. First, we write the definition, then condition, then we go through the types of resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Now, you write the definition of resonance. Mark that. What is the definition? In case, before writing the definition, write 1 or 2 line introduction. In case where more than one structure can be represented for a compound, but none of them is able to explain the known properties of the compound completely, then the different structures written are known as resonating or contributing or canonical structure, and this phenomenon is known as resonance. Okay? Next line. The actual structure is known as resonance hybrid, which lies somewhat where in between these structures. However, we have no physical means to represent that structure on the plane of paper. The resonance hybrid may be represented by putting double-headed arrow in between the various resonating structure, which is represented, given an example for benzene. It is known as Kekuli 1, it is a Kekuli 2, first structure and second structure. It is a symbolic representation for writing the resonance structure, and last one is known as resonance hybrid. The most important thing to be noted that the resonance hybrid neither oscillate between the contributing structure, nor it consists of a mixture of contributing structure. It is an entirely new and the individual structure. It is about the definition of resonance. Next, switch over to condition and characteristics of resonance. Now, note down the condition for resonance. Mark that 4 to 5 points are there. That is, first one, the different resonating structure should have the same position of the constituent atoms. They may have different electronic arrangement. Next point, the number of unpaired electrons must be same in each contributing structure. Next, the contributing structure or the resonating structure should have nearly the same energy. Next, the bond length and bond angle should be closer to the real structure. Next, those structure in which negative charge present on the most electronegative atom and the positive charge is most electropositive atom will be closer to the actual structure. Next, the contributing structure or the resonating structure should be so represented that unlike charges present or reside on the neighboring atoms. Next, the greater the number of covalent bonds, greater is the contributing or greater is the contribution of that resonating structure. And the last, we say that the compound showing resonance must be planar in nature. These are some application, that means the condition for resonance. Next, switch over to the characteristics of resonance hybrid. Let us discuss one by one. 3 to 4 points are there under the heading of characteristics of resonance hybrid. That is, points are: one is stability, one is resonance energy, and one is known as the bond length. Let us discuss one by one. First one is stability. It has been observed that resonance hybrid poses more stable in comparison to any one of the resonating structure. I repeat again, it has been observed that the resonance hybrid found to be more stable than that of any one of the resonating structure. So first one is application. Note down, application of resonance. 2 to 3, I repeat again, 2 to 3 points are there under the heading of application of resonance hybrid or characteristics. It is better to write characteristics of resonance hybrid. Point 1 is stability. Point 2 is resonance energy. Point 3 is bond length. Let us discuss one by one. First one is stability. It has been observed that resonance hybrid is much more stable than any one of the resonating structure. Okay. Next one is resonance energy. How the resonance hybrid poses more stable than the other, we discuss later. Next one is resonance energy. That means it is the internal energy difference between the most stable resonating structure or contributing structure and resonance hybrid, known as resonance energy. It has been observed that if in case of a benzene, it is 35 kilocalorie per mole more energy than the other resonating structure due to the resonance. And third one is the bond length. The bond length of resonance hybrid is somewhat different that between the contributing structure or a resonating structure. For example, if we select the benzene, then in resonance hybrid the bond length of carbon-carbon bond length is 1.39 angstrom, while the actually carbon-carbon single bond length is 1.54 angstrom, and that of the carbon-carbon double bond length is 1.34 angstrom. So the bond length of resonance hybrid is totally different than that of the contributing structure or resonating structure. Next, we discuss the resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Note down, resonance effect or mesomeric effect. What do we mean by a resonance effect? If in a compound there is the presence of a conjugated pi system, that means single bond then double bond, single bond, double bond are in one after another, then there is a flow of electron through the conjugated pi system from one end to the other end of the compound. So this flow of electrons through the conjugated pi system from one end to the other end through the resonance, through the phenomenon of resonance is known as resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Student, try to clarify the concept, then we write. Not worry about writing. I repeat again. In a molecule, if there is double bond, single bond, alternative position, that is known as conjugated pi system, then there is a flow of electron through the conjugated pi system from one end to the other end. This tendency, this phenomenon of flowing of electron through the conjugated pi system from one end to the other end by the phenomenon of resonance is known as resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Okay? Like inductive effect, it is also two types. One is plus R or plus M effect. Second one is minus R or minus M effect. Mark that. What do you mean by plus R effect? That means the group which donate electron pair through the conjugated pi system, to the compound, then it is said to have plus R or plus M effect. For example, under plus R or plus M effect is OH alcohol, amine, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, ether, etc. On the other hand, the species which withdraw the shared pair of electron through the conjugated pi system, then it is said to have minus R or minus M effect. Some examples, for examples, the carbonyl compound COOH, that is aldehyde, ketone, acid, cyanide, etc. That is nitro also, nitro group, etc. These are withdraw the share pair of electron from the benzene nucleus through the conjugated pi system. It is known as minus R or minus M effect. Okay. Like inductive effect, resonance effect also some application is there. It also decides the relative acidic nature of the organic acid. It also decides the relative basic nature of the organic bases and also the different types of amines. So before going to the application part, it is necessary to write down the definition and the types of resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Now, note down the definition for resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Note down. In case of compounds having conjugated pi system, what do you know conjugated pi system? Single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, one after another. That is having alternate sigma and pi bond. Then electrons can flow from one part of a system to the other due to resonance. Hence, the definition is the flow of electrons from one part of a conjugated pi system to the other caused by the phenomenon of resonance is known as resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Like inductive effect, it is of two types. That is plus R or a plus M effect, and one is minus R or a minus M effect. Let us discuss one by one. Point 1, plus R effect. If a group donate electrons to the conjugated pi system through resonance, then it is said to have plus R or a plus M effect. For example, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, alcohol, amine, ether, these are some groups comes under plus R or plus M effect. So next one is minus R effect. If a group withdraw electrons towards themselves through resonance, then they are said to have minus R or minus M effect. For example, nitro carbonyl compounds groups, that is aldehyde, ketone, acid, cyanide, sulfonic acid SO3H, these are some groups comes under minus R or minus M effect. Now let us draw some structures relating to plus R and minus R to verify that how there is the displacement of electron pair or a shared pair of electrons through the conjugated pi system from one part to the other part of the molecule. So first discuss one by one. Bit one is plus R effect or plus M effect. For that one, we have to select OH group. When OH group attached to benzene nucleus, it is known as the phenol. So first we write the resonating structure for phenol under the heading of plus R effect. We select the structure is phenol, that is C6H5OH. Mark that how the shared pair of electron transport from one part to other through resonance. It is the formula for phenol. Mark that single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. So it is known as a conjugated pi system. Now transfer the shared pair of electron here. Mark that each corner 1 the carbon atom. Here this carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. So when another one pair is there, this carbon atom over valency. So request to this carbon atom, as a result of which this shared pair of electron break down to here, and when this bond break, it form a pair of electron. Mark that. It is the contributing structure sign. Mark that when this shared pair of electron transferred resulting single bond transfer to double bond, when this bond break transfer to pair of electron, as this carbon atom withdraw one electron of this carbon atom, so there is a possess of negative charge. Now this carbon atom, mark that 1, 2, 1H is there, 3 bond, that is it is in danger. So this shared pair of electron transfer to here forming a bond. Now mark that this carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 1H, 4 is there. After receiving a pair of electron, it is in danger. So break down this bond to this carbon atom. Okay, mark that. After losing one electron, it is positive charge. This bond transfer to here, and the bond break down to form a pair of electron. As this carbon atom receive extra electron, so negative charge is there. So similar thing is that this carbon atom now 1, 2, 1H, 3 is there. It is in danger. So this pair transfer to here to form bond. Now this carbon also in trouble. Break down to this pair to this one. Mark that. Now the bond break down to here, as it receive one electron, so negative charge is there. Now it is also in trouble because 1, 2, 1H, 3 bond is there. So this one transfer to here. Now this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 already tetra covalency, but after receiving one electron pair, so it is in trouble. So transfer to this one. So mark the structure. The electron transfer to a required position. Mark that. It is a structure 1, it is a structure 2, it is a structure 3, structure 4, and it is a structure 5. Mark that how the displacement, that is the shared pair of electron through the conjugate pi system. It is example of plus R or plus M effect. So another one, I go through OH. If NH2 group is attached, then it is known as aniline. It is a homework for you. Draw the resonating structure for aniline. It is name is aniline. Same procedure is there, you may follow. That means transfer this one here, this bond transfer here. In this way, it is homework to you to write the resonating structure for aniline. It is one example for plus R or plus M effect. Next, switch over to another one example, that is minus R or minus M effect. Next one is under the heading of minus R or minus M effect, that is minus R effect. We select one example, that is a nitro. When it is attached to benzene ring, it is known as a nitrobenzene. Formula is benzene ring attached to NO2, nitrobenzene. Let us draw the resonating structure of nitrobenzene. Mark that. It is the resonating structure of nitrobenzene, and here nitro group is minus R, means withdraw the shared pair of electron through the conjugate pi system. Mark that. Between nitrogen and oxygen, oxygen is more electronegative, so withdraw the shared pair of electron towards itself. As a result, nitrogen is in danger because previous 1, 2, 3 bond is there. When this bond break, now is in double bond, so it is satisfied it trivalency. As a result of which request this carbon atom and this bond transfer to here. Mark that, the structure. After moving this shared pair of electron towards itself, it is in danger. That means a positive charge, this one negative charge. Now this carbon atom under danger, so it is request to this carbon atom. So as a result of which this shared pair of electron bond break and the shared pair of electron transfer to in this way. Mark the next structure. Now the bond transfer to here, now it is in deficiency 1, so request to this carbon atom, now so this bond break down to here. Mark the structure. This bond remain as such, now bond transfer to here, it is in deficiency. So request to this one, the bond transfer to here. Now it is in danger, request to this one, this bond also transfer to this one. Mark the final structure. It is known as structure 5, it is structure 4, it is structure 3. It is a structure 2, it is a structure 1. So mark that. In this way, the shared pair of electron is transferred from benzene nucleus to outside. Okay? It is a homework to you. I select another one group, that is CHO. When CHO group attached to benzene, known as benzaldehyde. Mark that, benzaldehyde, I rewrite like this one. Its name is benzaldehyde. So due to the difference in electronegativity, the shared pair of electron transfer to this side. So now carbon under deficiency. So request to this carbon, the bond also transfer. In this way, try to write the resonating structure for benzaldehyde. Next, we discuss about application of resonance effect. Mark that. Next, we discuss application of resonance effect. It has mainly two important effects. One is to compare the relative acidic nature of the organic acid, and also another one is to compare the relative basic nature of the organic bases. Let us discuss one by one. First one, compare the acidic nature of organic acids. We know acid is defined as a species which donate a proton. According to Bronsted-Lowry theory, acid after donating a proton, what is left? That is known as a conjugate base. So according to resonance concept, no doubt any species donate a proton, but that one not comes under acid. That means according to this concept, no doubt it donate a proton, but after donating proton, the conjugate base left, if that is stabilized by resonance, means if one is able to draw the resonating structure for the conjugate base, then only one say that original structure behaves as an acid. Let us apply this concept. First application, ethyl alcohol, though it donate a proton, it is not treated as an acid, while acetic acid is an acid. Mark that. First application, acetic acid is an acid, while ethyl alcohol is not. Mark that. First we discuss about acetic acid, then switch over to ethyl alcohol. Mark that. Acetic acid CH3COH when ionizes form acetate ion plus proton. It is known as acetic acid. It is known as acetate ion, or it is conjugate base. It is a proton. Now we have to draw the resonating structure for acetic acid and acetate ion. Mark that. That is resonating structure for acetic acid. The minimum criteria is there for writing the resonance structure, that is conjugated pi system. Single bond, double bond, single bond. Okay. So mark that this pair shift to here, this bond shift to here, resulting in the formation of CH3CO minus double bond OH. It is structure 1, it is structure 2. Resonating structure for acetic acid, as it involves charge separation. Charge separation. What do you mean by charge separation? In one species positive negative charge is there. As it involves charge separation, hence its contribution is less, so it is less stable. So it is less stable. On the other hand, mark the resonating structure of acetate ion, CH3CO O minus this pair transfer to here. As a result, this bond transfer to here, that is CH3 CO double bond O, structure 1, structure 2. From this structure it is clear that it did not involve the charge separation. As it does not involve charge separation, so it is more stable than the acetic acid. That means, according to the resonance concept, acetate ion, the conjugate base, is more stable than that of the original structure. Hence, acetic acid behaves as an acid. Note down here, this one, after that one, note down, as it does not involve charge separation, so its stability increases. Note down, I repeat again, as it is not involved in charge separation, so its stability increases. Hence, acetic acid behaves as an acid. On the other hand, if we mark that ethyl alcohol also ionizes to donate a proton, but after donating proton, what is left? Ethoxide ion, but it is not stabilized by resonance. So, though it donate a proton, yet it is not treated as an acid. Mark that. CH3 CH2OH when ionizes to form CH3 CH2O minus plus proton. Its name is ethyl alcohol. Its name is ethoxide ion, or it is known as conjugate base. As it is not involved any conjugated pi system, so resonance structure is not possible. That's why it is not stabilized by resonance. Hence, though it donate a proton, yet ethyl alcohol not comes under an acid. Okay. Next, we select another one example, that is phenol behaves as an acid. Aromatic alcohol, that is C6H5OH, phenol behaves as an acid. Second application that we write, second application, phenol behaves as an acid. Mark that. When phenol ionizes to form phenoxide ion plus proton, its name is phenol, its name is phenoxide ion, that is conjugate base. So, already drawn the resonating structure, 5 resonating structure for phenol. Now, mark that, what are the resonating structure for phenoxide ion? Now, if we draw the resonating structure for phenoxide ion and we verify that it is more stable than the original structure, that is a phenol, hence it is clear that phenol behaves as an acid. So, mark that, the various resonating structure for phenoxide ion. This pair of electron transfer to here, as a result bond transfer to here. This bond break down to form a pair of electron, as it receive one electron, so negative charge is there, now it is in trouble, so shift the pair to form a bond. Now this carbon is in trouble, break down this bond. Now this bond transfer to a pair of electron, as it gain one electron, so negative charge is there. So now this carbon in trouble, so make a transfer of the pair to form a bond. Now this carbon is in trouble, break down this one. Now it receive one pair, so negative charge is there. Now it is in trouble, transfer to this one. As it is over valency, transfer to this one. Mark the final structure. It is structure 1, structure 2, structure 3, structure 4, structure 5. From this structure, it is clear that important thing you mark that in phenol 5 resin structure, in phenoxide ion also 5 resin structure. But in phenol there is a charge separation observed, but here there is no charge separation. Note down one line, since here there is no charge separation, since here there is no charge separation observed, therefore the phenoxide ion, that is conjugate base, is more stable than phenol, as a result of which equilibrium shift forward, forming more amount of phenoxide ion as well as a proton. Hence phenol behaves as an acid. Okay, again to the phenol, if one minus I group again attached, that is a para nitrophenol or a p nitrophenol, then it also increases the acidic nature of a phenol. That means we say that para nitrophenol is stronger acid than phenol. Okay, next switch over to second application, that means second application of resonance effect, that means decide the basic nature of organic bases. The second application of resonance effect, that is, it also compare the basic nature of organic bases. What do we mean by base? We know according to Lewis concept, base is one which possesses lone pair of electron, that means it possesses unshared pair of electron, or in short we say that electron rich species are known as Lewis bases. The species which has the ability to donate a pair of electron known as bases. For example, if we select aliphatic amine, for example methyl amine, ethyl amine, are well-known bases because of availability of one unshared pair of electron. So these are known as well-known bases. So if we compare again the basic nature of aliphatic amine with aromatic amine, for example ethylamine and aniline, that is C6H5NH2. Aliphatic amine and aromatic amine, its name is ethylamine and its name is aromatic amine, that is aniline. Then it has been observed that no doubt both the cases NH2 is there, no doubt in both the cases lone pair of electron available over the nitrogen, yet aliphatic amine are the stronger bases than the corresponding aromatic amine. Okay, that means here ethylamine is a stronger base than the aniline, which can be explained on the basis of inductive effect as well as a resonance effect. Mark that ethyl group is behave as a plus I group, while phenyl group behave as a minus I group. We know that plus I group increases the basic nature, while minus I group decreases the basic nature. On this concept, ethylamine is a stronger base than aniline. And also it can be explained on the basis of resonance, that is, no doubt whenever we observe the structure of aniline, there is the presence of lone pair of electron, availability of lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom of aniline. But when one is able to draw the resonating structure of aniline, what we observe? Mark that. The resonating structure of aniline, this pair transport here, the bond transfer to here. As it is donate, it is deficiency positive. As it is receive one electron, it is negative one. So this one transfer to here, again it is deficiency, it is this one transfer to here. Now this is bond, it is a lone pair of electron. As it is gain electron, negative charge is there. So this one again transfer, this bond again transfer. What we observe? Mark that this one as such, it form a bond. Now it gain one electron, so negative charge, again this one transfer here. Finally, we observe the original structure. It is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5. So observe that from the resonating structure 2, 3, 4, from the resonating structure 2, 3, 4, it is clear that the nitrogen atom is electron deficient species. So its ability to donate pair of electron gradually decreases. That's why basic nature decreases. Hence, aliphatic amines are stronger bases than that of the corresponding aromatic amine. These are little bit application of resonance effect.